How to start an online business. Though easier said than done, starting a successful online business is not an easy task. From choosing a product to sell to growing your online presence, including selecting the right e-commerce platform, there is a lot to consider. The majority of e-commerce shops you've heard of didn't exist a decade ago. Many still did not even exist 5 years ago. It won't be easy. They'll come with costs, and it'll take know-how and strategy to turn your shop into the go-to place for all customers in your industry. Furthermore, it will take dedicated design from day one and maintenance of all services needed to ensure that sales are continuously being made. But do it right and your business will bypass those one-hit wonder brands to become something much more than a dream, a side gig, or even a small business. There are plenty of benefits to starting an online business. You can work from home, set your own hours, focus on a niche you care about, and typically avoid substantial startup costs. While starting a business online may be more accessible, in order to grow and maintain, you must follow a similar process to starting a traditional business. Dear future entrepreneurs and moguls, here are 5 things you should do if you wish to start a successful online business. Number 1. Finding a niche. Your online business can't do everything and compete with everyone. Hence why finding a niche is so important to your online success. Another reason why finding a niche is so crucial to a small business success is it makes it far easier to describe to potential customers what you do and sell. Therefore, before you start selling, you must find the right product with the highest potential return for serious profitability. You should learn how to conduct researches in different niches and even examine your own life to find problems that need to be solved. Number 2. Evaluate market viability. Throughout market viability tests, the goal is to determine a realistic estimate of future revenues and whether it's big enough. Since it's unlikely that your organization is operating a monopoly, you would realistically win less than 100% of all customer business. Furthermore, through market viability, you'll dig deeper into product viability. The evaluation of the product means the analysis of its suitability and safety for use by consumers are to be checked out. Additionally, the products are required to be as safe as it is reasonable to expect. Moreover, evaluating market viability includes thinking about the kind of details that can make or break your business, like number of SKUs and shipping weight. Number 3. Conduct market research. Market research can identify how customers and potential customers might view your business and identify gaps in customer expectations. This is powerful information to have when completing your marketing strategy. Having good market intelligence helps to minimize risks when making key business decisions. Moreover, you should validate your product using tactics such as keyword research and evaluating trending products. Number 4, conduct competitive analysis. Conducting a competitive analysis is important because you'll build an understanding of how your existing and potential customers rate the competition. A mechanism to develop effective competitive strategies in your target market. An idea of what gives your company an advantage over its competitors. Furthermore, conducting competitive analysis helps you find out what's working and what can be improved upon from your biggest competitors. Moreover, this will tell you more about how to define your branding and positioning in the market. Number 5, learn the laws of selling online. Selling direct online increases your reach. With an online store, your profits are no longer limited by the number of customers that can physically visit your brick-and-mortar location. You can sell across towns, states, and even across borders, removing all geographical limitations. Your online store also allows you to cater to shoppers who find it more convenient to browse and buy at times when retail locations are not traditionally open. Online shopping can save time for both the buyer and retailer, reducing phone calls about availability, specifications, hours of operation, or other information easily found on company and product pages. Shipping restrictions, zoning laws, and trademark considerations. These can all make or break your business. With this list, you can avoid the e-commerce landmines that derail your business before it gets off the ground. In conclusion, things evolve and change extremely fast to the extent that 1 year online equals to 5 years in the real world. However, the principles of how to start and grow a successful online business haven't changed at all. If you're just starting a small business online, it's best to follow the steps shown above. If you've been online for a while, do a quick review and see if there's anything you've been neglecting, have forgotten, or never got around to do in order to ensure that you're on track to success. The end. Thank you.